Hello guys and welcome to another ProfileTree video. So in today's video, we're going to be taking a look at an AI website builder called Durable AI. So without further ado, we're going to go ahead and get started. So Durable is an AI-powered website builder designed to make creating professional websites quick and simple, like especially for smaller businesses or individuals with no coding experience. I would say that Durable is easy. Now you can start by answering a few basic questions about your business. This will be to do with name, type, services you offer, and once you've provided these details, Durable AI generates a fully functional website in just a matter of seconds. Now, the website will come with images, written content, and even a contact form, and that'll give you a polished, ready-to-launch platform. Now, you can further customize the design and content to suit your branding, but Durable takes care of the heavy lifting, and that saves you a lot of time as well as effort. Now, this tool is particularly useful for business owners who want to establish an online presence without investing a significant amount of time or money in traditional web development. Now, it's all about making website creation accessible, efficient, and hassle-free. And this will help businesses to get online faster and start connecting with their audience. Okay, so without further ado, we're going to go ahead and just get stuck into this website builder itself. Now, very, very simple. You can choose to create an account straight away, or you can just start for free. Now, if you want more information on this, just visit the website for its pricing, some of the tools that they offer. They do have quite a bit there. You've got your website generator, brand generator, Google website generator, business name generator, and Google ad writer. So it's not just a website builder. It does have a few different tools, as you can see. They do have quite a few resources there: blog, customer stories, website templates, industries. So quite a couple of options here, as you can see. State guides and even a business starter guide. So on top of that, you've also got your different products. Of course, this is what we're focusing on today, which is AI website builder. Do have the CRM invoicing, AI blog builder, which is really good, and an AI brand builder. So we'll go ahead and just jump into creating this website. So just click on generate your website here or start for free. Now it's going to ask you, what type of business are you building? So for us, we'll just say that we're looking to build we'll go with what they've said. Let's just say personal training. Click on next. Now it is straight away finding out where I'm located. So here we are, Belfast, Northern Ireland, which is good. So we'll go ahead and say okay. So you can, of course, use the suggestions that they have if you're unsure of a name, especially if you are just starting off. Of course, there are several different AI tools out there like ChatGPT. You've got Claude.ai. You've also got Copilot, or you've even got Gemini. So there's plenty of different tools out there. If you don't want to use Durable suggestions, feel free to use any of the other AI tools. So, okay, I'm a bit unsure. I'm going to go ahead and see some suggestions. So, of course, we did pick personal training. So, of course, we're going to get a list of personal training type names. Got Peak Performance there, Harmony Health. Now, if you are not really happy with the names that they provided, it's an easy fix. You could just go ahead and select regenerate, and it'll provide several more different options. So for us, I'm going to go ahead and just select, I would say maybe Core Dynamics Fitness. Good enough for us. So that's our 3 steps. Then it'll direct you to the homepage. Now you can go ahead and take a look at it. You can see it's building it quite literally, well, I would say under a minute. It's actually probably faster than under a minute there. So we're now 91% through for a generated website. And there you go. Now the website is ready. So of course, this is the catch. You will have to go ahead and log in, or you would either continue with an email. So I'm going to go ahead and fast forward once I've now logged into the site. Okay, so I have unfortunately lost the personal training one there, but it's fine. So basically, this is what the platform will look like. It's just a very simple website builder. So I wouldn't be expecting too much modifications or changes to do for the site. It does give you a few options where you can add sections, If you choose to as well, you can go ahead and change up the paragraphs or the headlines that you have there. So here we've got a headline, here we've got a subtext. You can go ahead and add an image in if you need to. So you would just click on upload. So it is fairly good for what you get, especially for it being free. Well, free to play about with. And then of course, once you're happy enough, you would just click on done and then select save. This will just ensure that your changes won't be lost. So it just takes a little minute for it to fully load up. There you go, website now saved. And now you do have the option there to restyle. You can regenerate your images as well. If you want to as well, you could move your sections up and down. So anytime that you click on something specific here, it'll always open up this quote unquote like menu item on your far right side. You can fully customize these, as you can see. So you can change the template completely. You can go ahead and change your colors. You got your fonts, buttons, widgets as well. You can regenerate it using AI. So if you're not happy, you can just regenerate the entire website. So again, you'll pretty much just go through that exact same process that we did earlier on. So this time, of course, I'm just going to say personal training again. Like so. Let's go for the business name. Of course, we'll stick with the same location. Website language, of course, will be in English. And now we just need to type in regenerate to proceed. So again, the advantages really is that it's simple to use, it's easy, especially for those who are just starting off. It might be a good place for you to begin with, especially if you want that online presence. And it's just another way to get your name out there. Of course, you can bring people from social media over to this site. Feel free as well to use the likes of GT metrics as well if you want to check out the performance of the website, see how it's doing with the desktop as well as the mobile version. So there are plenty of things that you can do. So yes, of course, you will need to have a pricing or payment plan, in order for you to publish your website live. You will, of course, need to have a domain name. Now, you can purchase it from GoDaddy, 123reg, several different platforms out there to choose from. Or if you want to, you can just directly buy it from Durable themselves. So that's another option for you guys to have. So let's see here. Hopefully this is now going to fully load. We'll just exit off that. So while this is still loading, now if you do want to preview or take a look at your changes, you'll have an option there on your top right, which is to go ahead and preview. So if you just click on that, it'll just give you the preview mode. Okay, that's now fully loading for us. It gives you a couple of options there. You've got your desktop version, tablet, as well as your phone. So everything is already responsive, as you can see. Just makes it a whole load easier in terms of process. And then this is the sort of color that we have at the minute. Okay, no problem. If I do want to change that, you can. You've got your customize here in your top left. And if, as I said earlier on there, if you want to change the color, you can go for a different color palette. Just makes things a little bit easier. If you wanted to go for custom, you can choose a different color. You've got the color wheel there basically, or color rectangle more like. So a couple of different options here. You can go for, let's just say, more of a bluey background. Okay, done. That's given us that option now, as you can see. If I don't like the images there, I can go ahead and regenerate there. Just like so. So very easy, very simple to do. Go ahead and click on done. Now within the sections as well, I can add more. You do have a list of different options. You've got banners, you've got services, you've even got content as well, image galleries, clients. I would say that that's to do with the reviews. There you go. So logo showcase, or you can quote a testimonial. So that again would be really good for SEO, especially if you're mentioning your Google reviews or Trustpilot reviews. Anywhere where you've gotten a review, It's just adding more keywords onto your website, as well as just bulking out the different sections on your website as well. So it's always good to add testimonials onto a website. Okay, so with these sections as well, I can remove icons if I want to. I can replace them and add images instead. I can remove the heading if I need to. So I can pretty much just shorten down the actual layout of the way this section looks. I can also change the style if I need to. So if I wanted a larger heading or an extra larger heading, I can. I can make my subtext a little bit smaller. But for us, we don't have our subtext, which is okay. Now you can see there, you can add a background image or a video image, which is pretty cool. I would recommend to maybe just turn it off. It can slow down the actual speed of the website. It's better to not have too many images for backgrounds. You're best to just have images like this. So it looks like our testimonials have finally loaded in. And yes, it's pretty much just organizing and changing bits and pieces about for the website. And of course, once you are happy enough, then you can go ahead and click on save. So it'll just take a little minute again. Okay, perfect. So now, if you want to, you can go ahead and add a couple more pages as well. So you can create new pages. You can create a blog post. Again, I would say this is ideal to have, more for the fact that it is good for SEO again, to have a blog post. You would also have your about section and a contact section. So I do believe you can only choose 3 pages, especially for just the free version. Have a look at this now. Okay, so a new page is now being generated, as you can see. So it is pretty much just rinse and repeat for the rest of those different pages. You'll have your about, you've got your contact, blog, any of the services that you offer. So just really depends on what sort of pages you're looking to add in. And you can see there, it's going to go ahead and generate this page in. Of course, once that page is now generated, you can pretty much have a full built website, which again would be really nice, especially if you're just starting off. No code required at all, which makes the whole process very, very easy and simple. So we'll just wait for this to generate in or load in. I'll go ahead and skip ahead. Okay, as you can see, it's now fully loaded. There you go. You can go ahead and customize it if need be. You've got your, of course, everything is a little AI here. So just use your initiative. Just double check everything. Make sure that it's not sounding AI. Of course, we're in the UK here, so bits of the language here are in American English. You want to just double check that. Just make sure it's all correct. You can regenerate it using the generate content AI, basically, that's already built into Durable. Or again, as I said earlier on, feel free to use any AI tools out there like ChatGPT, Claude, Copilot, Gemini, several different ones out there, even the Meta. So loads to choose from. Of course, I can select the style for this particular section. So you've got your image position as well. I can have it to the middle, so more of a stack. I can have it so it's on the left side or the right side. I can have like a borderless image, so it makes it a little bit more modern. I can invert that image as well and content on the mobile, so it'll look a little bit different on there. So plenty of different options, as you can see, so you're not shy of options anyway, and you would just click on save, and that is pretty much how you would go ahead and form and change up your website. So again, very, very simple, very easy to use this website builder. I say it's really good for people starting off, good for, again, a beginner. So one to maybe look out for, especially if you're starting off and getting that online presence. So guys, there you have it. That is how to build and create a website using the Durable.ai website builder. Hopefully this video has helped. If it did, let us know in the comment section below. We'd like to know what you think. But other than that, I'll see you guys for the next video. Thank you very much for watching.